Are you a new locksmith, carpenter or DIY enthusiast eager to master the art of lock fitting? Then look no further than my online courses. The next lock that we're going to fit, British Standard era Nightlatch. So we're going to upgrade this Yale 85. That's what you're looking for. Once you've used it, you won't be without it, I promise you. That's your 3-inch, 3-lever sash lock. My name's Andy Perrin and I've been a carpenter for 33 years and a locksmith for the past 8 years. This is the tools and equipment that you're going to need to be able to fit night latches. A chisel set, a decent set of tailpiece cutters, the Euro spec, Euro deadlock, British Standard. If you're going to be taking the MLA exam, this is the lock they currently ask you to fit. Learn at your own pace with step-by-step video tutorials and lifetime access. This online course is designed to show you how to fit locks in whichever course that you've chosen, efficiently, quickly and confidently. The Nightlatch course consists of 16 videos and almost 250 minutes of content. The Mortise Lock course consists of 13 videos and almost 400 minutes of content. You can buy the courses individually, or you can combine the two in a bundle at a discount for even better value. I'm going to go through each lock step by step so that you can get the most out of this course. So whether you're just starting out or maybe you're looking to enhance your existing skills, my courses are designed to provide you with the knowledge and confidence that you need, and all for a very affordable cost. Thank you again. Don't forget you've got lifetime access, so you can watch these videos over and over and over again as many times as you want. To really drill all of those points in. So why not head over to the school right now and take full advantage of these fantastic introductory prices.